What is the constitutional basis of the right? The right to self-organization is guaranteed by the Constitution as follows. Section 8, Article 3 states, "The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law, shall not be abridged." On the other hand, relevant portions of Section 3, Article 13 states that it shall guarantee the rights of all workers to self-organization, collective bargaining and negotiations, and peaceful concerted activities, including the right to strike in accordance with law. Note the basic types of organizations. There are two basic types of organizations that may be formed by employees, namely, number 1, workers' association, and number 2, labor organization. Workers' association. This is an organization of employees created for mutual aid and protection of its members or for any other legitimate purpose other than collective bargaining. Labor organization, or commonly known as labor union. This is an association of employees created for collective bargaining or dealing with employers concerning terms and conditions of employment.